Hello children, how are you all doing? I hope you all are staying fit and staying safe. Children, I have a question for you. Do you like animals? Well, we all love animals, don't we? And I'm sure many of you have dogs or cats as pets at home. But children, have you seen a lion or a tiger being kept as a pet? Definitely not. But why? Well, because lions and tigers are wild animals. And this brings us to our topic for today. Children, today we will learn about wild animals. I have divided the session in two parts. We will do the first part in this session and we will do the second part in the next session. So let's get started. Children, we will be talking about wild animals in this session. But what are wild animals? Well, animals that live in their natural surroundings in the wild are known as wild animals. Let us look at a few examples of wild animals. There are many wild animals in this planet. Let us have a look at a few common ones. A lion is a wild animal. An elephant is a wild animal. A crocodile is also a wild animal. And so is a tiger. Let us have a look at a few more examples of common wild animals. A giraffe is a wild animal. A whale is also a wild animal. A deer is a wild animal. An eagle is also a wild animal. So, children, we have already seen a few examples of wild animals. Now, let us discuss shelter of wild animals, which means where do these wild animals live? Wild animals live in different types of natural environments. For example, some animals live on land and some live in water. Furthermore, some live both on land and in water, and some others live on trees. Let us look at a few examples of animals that live on land. A lion lives on land. A zebra lives on land. An elephant lives on land. Now, let us look at a few examples of animals that live in water. A fish lives in water. An octopus lives in water. A whale lives in water. There are a few animals that live both on land and in water. Let us look at a few examples of such animals that live both on land and in water. A crocodile lives both on land and in water. A turtle lives both on land and in water. Children, let me tell you an interesting fact here. Both crocodiles and turtles lay their eggs on land. Children, do you know that there are some animals that live on trees? Let's have a look at few such animals that live on trees. Monkeys live on trees. Squirrels live on trees. Owls too live on trees. Let us now discuss about homes of wild animals. There are many different types of homes where wild animals live. Some wild animals build homes for themselves, whereas some others find their homes in the wild. Let us look at examples of animals that build their own home. Birds build their own nest and live in it. Rabbits dig their own burrows and live in it. Children, let me share an interesting fact with you. The nest of a bald eagle can weigh up to 2 tons. And do you know, they take many years to build this nest. Let us look at a few animals that find their homes in the wild. Lions live in dens that they find in the forest. Bears live in caves that they find in the forest. Here, you should remember that these animals do not make their own homes. They find their homes in the wild and then they start living in it. Children, with this we come to the end of today's session. I hope you enjoyed learning about wild animals. Children, please remember to revise whatever has been done in this session and don't forget to watch the next session on wild animals. So, till next time, bye bye and stay safe.